Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a rainbow bathroom so easy. Let's start drawing. Start with the toilet. First, I draw a circle like an egg, then draw a flat circle at the bottom. Next, I draw like this. Then, I draw the bottom part of the toilet. Next to the toilet, I draw the potty. And next to the potty, I draw a wash stand like this. Top of the wash basin, I draw a mirror. I draw a towel. Finally, I draw toilet paper. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. Red, yellow. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbows to paint this drawing. Do you like rainbows? I continue with orange. And dark green. Blue for this part. I use dark blue to paint the bottom part of the toilet. Red. Blue. I color the wash stand purple. Purple and yellow for the potty. Pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. Dark green. Blue.